Good evening mga Whiskey Pops. Musta na kayo? Musta na mga araw nyo? Ito, kararating ko lang. Medyo kanina ba? Pero bago lahat, guys, ko muna sa'yo magbasa ng good news. Ito, in today's reading, in Luke 1 verses 18 to 25, the Lord has shown His favor and taken away my disgrace among the people. A reading from Luke 1 verse 18 to 25. Keep living for Him faithfully and waiting patiently for His plan. Yun po mga Whiskey Pops, ang good news for today para sa inyo. So, kumusta na kayo? I've just finished painting and weathering my new model, the M109 A6 Paladin by the US Army. So yung mga Whiskey Pops, in 135 scale, the M109 Paladin is being used presently in many countries in Europe and the United States. So it has not seen World War II. It didn't participate in World War II because this self-propelled gun was built only lately in the 90s. So it is a very powerful and sophisticated gun. So highlights of this M109 A6 Paladin: the heavy self-propelled artillery gun M109 is the most reliable and most widely used vehicle of its category, used by the US forces and most Western countries. The US Army, in order to keep this gun in service into the next century, is presently developing the new version. It has a more powerful engine and a new turret which is equipped with sophisticated turret control and firing systems, including the 155mm gun with improved target finding equipment. The Paladin is also able to use laser and satellite guided ammunition. So yun mga Whiskey Pops, napaka-sophisticated pala nitong M109 Paladin. Siguro pag itong ginamit dito sa atin sa Mindanao, sa mga insurgents doon, palagay ko mahihirapan mga kalaban ng gobyerno rito. So yun lang mga Whiskey Pops. This is a very reliable and powerful gun with its 155mm gun. This self-propelled gun is a monster to contend with. Siguro kung ito ay nabubuhay ng World War II, siguro wala makakatalo dito, wala makakalapit dito eh. Kasi malayo pa lang tatargetin na sila. Kasi meron siyang laser range finder which enables the tank or the Paladin to track its enemy in total darkness kahit na mga 20 to 50 miles away. So yun, very reliable and very accurate ang M109 Paladin. So wala pa siguro tayo nito rito, yung itong Paladin. So sa Western countries, sa Europe, sa France, siguro meron na ito, especially England, meron na itong Paladin na ito, 109 Paladin. So ang trucks nito mahaba rin eh. So winether ko rin yan ng konti lang. The paint I used here was Tamiya dark yellow. I mixed a little about 20% of buff. This one I mix about 10% of this XF57 buff. to dark yellow, which produce this result. Medyo medyo pale lang siya ng konti, pero Oscar kilo lang, kaya hindi masyado very subtle lang yung change, pero it adds to the highlight of the vehicle. Yun, the tank was painted, the tracks were painted olive gunmetal with a little of brown earth acrylic paint to resemble light mud, the color of which is brown earth. Yun. Very simple lang yung weathering nito. I didn't do any chipping because since this is a new tank, wala pang chipping to, kaya this is a relatively new vehicle. So I just painted it as it is and no more chipping except for the oil wash. I used the light brown oil wash, the oil paint on the corners and to highlight the shadows and to make the details pop out. So this is the result of the weathering. So shout out muna ako kay Corix Takahashi, kay Mauro Aguilar. Shout out also to Steve Jones. How are you, Steve? I hope you come up with your models in the next year so I can view them. Shout out also to my friends dyan sa mga shop, sa moto shop, doon sa MJC Moto Shop, kila Melanie, kaya yung mga mekaniko doon. So shout out din ako kay Larry, yung pinakamabangis na mekaniko sa multinational. Kumusta ka na, Larry? Nakakapasok ka na ba? Minsan daan ako dyan kasi sana magpagaling ka at malapit na ang Pasko. So yun mga Whiskey Pops, shoutout din kay Ronnie. Merry Christmas. Pusta na kayo? So before I wrap up, I'd like to thank everyone, especially those who subscribe to my channel, and I hope hindi kayo magsawa. You never get tired of watching my small videos which I have offered for you. Thank you very much and Merry Christmas. Have a Merry Christmas. I'll see you possibly in the new year if I don't come up with a new model within the end of this year. So Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you. Thanks a lot. God bless to you all. Bye-bye. By the way, mga Whiskey Pops, ito ay susunod kong project ko. Itong Jag Panther in 135 scale by Dragon. Jag Panther. Ito very mean din tong vehicle na to. It's a mean looking and this is one of my favorite designs of tanks. Ano to, this is a tank destroyer made by Germany, Nazi Germany, towards the end of World War II. So magandang design ito mga Whiskey Pops. At gusto ko yung mga wheels dito malalaki, at yung trucks dito tamang-tama. So yung mga Whiskey Pops, the Jag Panther for me is one of the best and mean looking tanks in the whole of Nazi Germany during World War II. Ito ang favorite na tanke ko noong World War II, yung Jag Panther. May kasamaan ito yung Jag Tiger, which has a larger barrel. This
This has a displacement of 88 millimeters ang barrel nito. While the Jag Panther, while the Jag Tiger has a 128 millimeter gun barrel. So mas malaki yun, mas mean yun, mas fearsome yun. Grabe ito si Adolf Hitler. Gusto niya talaga pasabugin na lahat ng mga kalaban niya. World War II.